Andy, pinakamasasaya, the happiest memories you have of your mother?
Wow. You know, there's countless memories.
First memories that come to mind.
First memories. Yung pinakamaagang memory ko, simula pagkabata, laging nangyari sa shooting or sa isang set. You know, I have most of my fondest memories, my greatest memories from being a kid is when my mom would bring me along to her tapings or shootings. Lalo na kapag out of town. Pagka malapit lang, nandun lang ako sa tita ko. Pero kapag out of town, parang wala akong na-miss na shooting or taping. Talagang bit-bit niya ako kahit saan siya magpunta.
Kung sinasama ko si Andy nung maliit, si Andy, kasi ayokong iwanan siya dahil wala lang akong choice. Pero pinalaki ko si Andy at si Gwen hanggat maaari. Pag nasa loob na ako ng bahay, si Jane as mom lang yung nakikita nila.
Actually, safe to say, I grew up, di ba? I grew up on set.
Tama.
Di ba? Parang dun lang talaga ako, pakalat-kalat sa gilid, dala-dala. Dun ako nabuhay. And that's why I feel like I find a weird, kakaibang sense of comfort. Ngayon na nandito na naman ako, di ba, sa isang set.
Did you look forward to going to the set with mom?
I did. I feel like going to the set with my mom growing up was also what made me want to try to get into acting as well.
Okay.
Sa younger.
So, when you started to work as an actor, hindi ka na nanibago sa set, no? Kasi familiar ka na talaga.
Maraming ang ibang nagsasabi na parang pag nakikilala na ako, mahihain ka pala? Bakit parang hindi naman? Sabi ko, mahihain ako pero pag sa harap ng camera, it's not something new to me, I guess. So it's not something for me to be feel uneasy, di ba? My mom, this is not her job, this was her life. So inevitably, it became mine too.
I always hear that from you. Na ang pagiging aktor ay hindi trabaho ng nanay ko, buhay niya.
Yeah.
So you got into that point in life where you also considered your work as life. Napunta ka rin doon, no?
Yeah. And I feel like kaya hindi ko na inaasahan na maintindihan ng mga tao. Pero feeling ko kaya mas naging komplikado ito para sa akin, mas dumating sa punto na kinailangan kong magdesisyon kung kaya ko pa ba, kung gusto ko pa ba ituloy ito, or baka panahon na para maghanap ng ibang, ibang journey na nararapat din para sa akin.